So let's duplicate this. You have many different types of MIDI programming techniques. So let's remove that and change the articulation to maybe staccato. So if I start playing, let's use click track. Maybe show you here as well. Not the most beautiful thing ever, but if I go in here, expression still works, so I can change the volume, but not modulation, because modulation is for sustained stuff mostly. You can program it differently, but you know, the library differently, but right now modulation doesn't really matter here. It's only the velocity. So if you go into the velocity, you'll see that this will change. So if I do this, it'll be very soft, almost inaudible. But if I do it very loud, but that's not good. You want to have some accents, so that's very important. So let's see, these are your accents. So you do first dun 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 dun. So these are my accents. And right now these aren't quantized, so they sound a bit choppy, you know, very human in a way. And you know, you can record the best of your MIDI performance, but I suggest to try out quantize a few times. So if I move this to be at the grid as well as I can, and then I press 16th notes, because these are 16th notes. Let's see, maybe 8th notes. Yeah, these are 8th notes, sorry. Now they have, and I press Q, by the way, so Q is same as quantize. It will start, it will place them in the grid. So it's perfectly quantized. And yeah, I mean, that's how you work in this. You just record your stuff, and then you go in here, you change around the notes. You can make, I can select these by dragging over and then pressing shift, and then do the same, so it selects more. So I can select how many as I want. And then I'm pressing the middle scroll button to pan, and I hold down Alt, and I can do an octave right here. Press Q to quantize. You see? So maybe show you also the snap. So if I start moving around some notes right here, it will start snapping to each grid, similar to quantize. Yeah, so that's it. Just some quick MIDI programming techniques.